once again to all my students in the internet world. You are again in my channel, Maestria. Welcome. I am your Maestra Rhea, and I'm here again to discuss with you another batch of your phrasal verbs or idiom verbs, which we can actually make use in our day-to-day spoken and written language or conversation. What are these phrasal verbs that we are going to take up today? They are put in, put on, put up, put out, and put off. How and when do we make use of these phrasal verbs properly? Find out. So let's start with put in. Okay, so when you say you put in, you are going to interrupt a certain discussion or conversation. Such as when you say, Roma puts in her thoughts while her mom and her dad had been discussing over something. So she butted in. So she tried to burst out and interrupt the discussion of her mom and her dad. Okay? So that's put in. Next one is put on. To put on is simply to wear, as in that of a garment or a dress. Put on that beautiful dress. You look beautiful. Okay? Put on, to wear something, as in that of a dress. Right? Same thing with when you say put on your shoes. Okay? So it's anything that you wear, anything where it says something about wearing, okay? That's put on. How about put off, okay? When you say you put off something, you postpone and you move into another day something that is already agreed upon, okay? Such as when you say, the meeting was put off because of an emergency. So, the meeting is moved to another day or another time because there was an emergency. Put off. How about when you say put out? When you say put out, that means to extinguish something. Okay? As in that of burning. So when you say put out the fire, our house will burn. Okay? Extinguish. And the last one, we have put up. Okay? So when you say put up, you mean to construct or to build something. Okay? Such as when we say, the government had put up a huge statue of the locality's hero. So I hope you got them all understood. So let's try to see if you did through these exercises. So fill in the blanks with the correct phrasal verb that will complete the thoughts of the sentence. First one. Correct answer there is put out. How about the second? Very good. That is supposed to be put up. Next one. That's right. So the phrasal verb there is put in. Next one. Bravo! So that means you understand the use of put off. So that's put off. And the last sentence. Answer is, that's correct. See, ladies and gentlemen, my students in the internet world, it's easy to understand so long as you know the meaning of these phrasal verbs. You know how to use them in a sentence, and you would understand also what the sentence means. Okay? So this is what our lesson for today would be. And so, thank you for watching. And if you are new in my channel, please do subscribe, share to your friends also, and keep learning with Maestra Rhea. Ciao!